Anipa, do you go to school by motorcycle?
Yes, I usually my motorcycle.
Motorcycle may fuel and cause pollution.
That's true. What do you suggest?
You can use a bicycle for short distances. It saves energy.
Okay, I will try. Thanks to for the suggestion.